Hello everyone, Cyber Rojo here. Welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm actually going to show you something interesting. We're actually going to learn how to hide a folder on your PC, on your Windows PC actually. We're going to learn how to hide a folder with some codes I figured out online. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, this is the code that we're going to be using. This is the code, and I'm actually going to put it down in the description, so please make sure you copy it and get ready so we can move on. So I believe by now you've copied the code and you are ready to go. So first of all, this is the code. It's all right here. This is the code that we are going to be using. So we are going to change something in this code, which is the password. If you can see where I have highlighted, that is the region or place you're actually going to change. So as you can see, 127, that is actually my password that I'll be using to unlock or show back this folder in the future, or in any time I want to access the folder. So you want to change the numbers there to the preferred password you want. So, and I believe you've done that. So before we move on, I want you to take a closer look at this highlighted region. Just take a closer look at this place, because some magic is going to happen there. Okay, so let's move on. Come back to the code. We are going to save this file as depending on how you've named your folder. I'm going to name the extension as a batch file, so .bat, that's all, .bat, and you save it. It will appear on your desktop. That is it. It will appear on your desktop, so that is it. Now, before we can hide our folder, this is the folder that I want to hide. As you can see, what I have inside: cookies, uploaded videos, an animation I wanted to create. So this is the folder I want to hide. This is the folder. So first of all, you double click your batch file, you double click it, and let's see what it says. Folder created. That's the folder. I've also told you to be watching this region. See, so folder is created. Press any key to continue. Press the key. Press any key to continue. Okay. So I'm going to move my folders, the folder that I want to actually hide, straight into the locker folder created by the batch file. So there I go. These are my files that I've moved to the locker folder. Now before I can hide this folder, I have to go back and double click on the locker folder, folder locker, and here it says folder created. Are you sure you want to lock the folder? Now Y for yes and N for no. You can type Y, which is yes, whether caps or small case letters. Y is yes, so you enter Y and you hit enter. Now as you can see, the folder is missing. The folder is no more here. The folder has been locked. Press any key to continue. Now before you can unhide or show the folder again, you have to still go back to this batch file. You double click and let's see what it says. It says enter password to unlock this folder. Now if you remember the code, I told you guys to change this place. If you didn't change it, there's your password. This is my password now. So if you changed it, then you have to type this password here in order to unlock the hidden folder. So here we go, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You hit enter, and as you can see, the folder is back. That is the folder. It's back online. press any key to continue. Now let's see the folder. As you can see, these are my files that I placed in the locker folder to be hidden. So there you go, my files, everything is intact, nothing was stolen, everything is intact. So there you go, guys. This is a simple and interesting trick that you can use to hide your folders, your important files, and whatever you want on your Windows laptop or PC. So thank you guys for watching. Please